So how do this switch statements is working? So what happens when we run a program containing switch? So what is really happening when we are running that program which has a switch? First, the integer expression following the keyword switch is evaluated. That means the integer expression which we write after switch, the keyword, that is special word switch, is evaluated. That means it is performed. Now after performing, it will compare, or it has some condition. That expression which we write after switch, it has some conditions. Now after its evaluation, the value it gives is then match. That means the value it is giving is then match one by one against the constant values. That means constant values we are writing in a case structure. So these are constant values. The value it gives is then matched one by one against the constant values. So case constant 1, so it is evaluated against the case constant value. That means case constant 1, then break, then case constant 2, then break. So when a match is found, so after that a match is found. Match is found means the condition is satisfied. That is why match is found. The program executes the statements following that case. That means program is executing the statements following that case means whatever we are writing after that case statement, that is case constant 1 statement, are executed. So case statement are executed, and all subsequent case and default statements as well as, so and there are remaining statements also, then and all subsequent case and default statements as well as, if no match is found with any of case statement as well, so those are those statements which are remaining are not performed because no match is found. So remaining statements are not performed. Now only the statements following the default are executed. That means the satisfied statements are executed. A few statements will show how this control structure works. So we will see how this control structure is working. So this is, we can say, an example of the case structure. So this is a program. By reading, let us try to read this program, and after reading we will understand how this structure is working. So main is compulsory, first line is main, so it is compulsory for every program. Now the parenthesis or bracket is starting, so second line is bracket. Now third line is int I is equal to 2, so I is equal to 2 is an integer, and then semicolon is given. Now switch I, so switch I means condition of I is satisfied, so that is why it is written switch I. Now case 1, that is printf I am in case 1, and slash n is for going into next line. So printf I am in case 1 for case 1. Now case 2, printf I am in case 2. So these are similar. Printf I am in case 2 slash n, so it is going on next line. Now case 3, then default, printf I am in default. So this is program for showing case structure. Now the output of program would be I am in case 2, I am in case 3, I am in default. Now this was a faulty program. The output is definitely not what we expected. So this is not our expected output. We didn't expect the second and third line in above output. So we didn't expect case 2 and case 3 in above output. The program prints case 2 and 3 and default case. Well, yes, we said the switch executes the case where a match is found and all subsequent cases and default as well. So the statement is the switch is executing the case which is case with which match is found and all subsequent cases and default as well. So it is printing all the cases and default as well. So it printed all cases and default also. If you want only the case 2 should execute, so if we want only case 2 to execute, it is up to you to get out of the switch and then and there by using a break statement. So we have to use a break statement for only printing case 2. Note that there is no need for a break statement after the default since control names out of switch anyway. So now this is a new program. This is main. Now int I is equal to 2 switch I case 1 printf I am in case 1 break, then case 2 printf I am in case 2 then break. So this break is performing the act of pulling that program out at that point. So the after writing this break in between these statements, the output now of the program will be I am in case 2. So this will be new output of program because we have written break statements.